How to use Sun Life Life Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Sun Life Life Insurance can provide financial security for you and your family, but many Canadians make mistakes that limit their coverage or lead to unnecessary costs. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to actively manage it. One of the biggest mistakes is choosing the wrong type of policy. Term life is affordable and covers a specific period, while permanent life policies, like whole or universal life, offer lifelong protection and a cash value component. Picking the wrong type can leave your family underprotected or force you to pay more than needed. Underestimating coverage amounts is another common issue. Many people fail to consider long-term obligations like mortgages, tuition, and living expenses. Simple calculation can ensure your death benefit is enough to maintain your family's lifestyle. Failing to update beneficiaries is a costly mistake. Life events like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child change who should receive your benefits. Not updating your policy can cause legal complications or delays in payout. Ignoring optional riders or add-ons is another trap. Sun Life offers benefits like critical illness, disability, and accidental death riders. These can provide extra protection when you need it most, yet many policyholders overlook them. Finally, misunderstanding the cash value and loan options of permanent policies can lead to financial surprises. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you understand available funds, premium flexibility, and potential tax implications. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize the benefits of Sun Life Life Insurance Canada. Choose the right policy type, maintain adequate coverage, update beneficiaries regularly, explore optional riders, and understand your policy's features. Following these steps ensures your insurance truly protects your family and your financial future.